Turn my favorite button on, the heated grips, internal sun visor. What up, my clip clubs? Need for Steve back at it with another Grom vlog. Can't tell if today's the last day of summer or the first day of fall. It feels like the first day of fall. It's like 45 degrees outside. Reminds me of the time I used to commute to work on a motorcycle. Back at it with another video fall Grom vlog. I think I already said that, but the directions are totally just kind of got me all jacked up here. But currently on my way to the distributor for my siding company. I've talked about this quite briefly in the past, but essentially the siding on my house is defective. They'll replace it under warranty, and I say slightly under warranty is you nutsack. That was just a dick move. I kind of have an idea where I'm going. Oh, better. Let's see, layer it up. Heat grips on. We are golden. Let me start over here. So I'm on the way to a distribution company to return a voucher to get my siding replaced that's under warranty. I say under warranty lightly because they're only covering 25% of the labor costs. Like, they're taking care of the materials, but taking care of the really shitty labor costs. They say that their labor rates that they reimburse are super, what's the word, competitive. It's going to cost me $10,000 together to have it replaced. So they're covering $2,500 of that. Well, I don't know how that's competitive when your product is defective. You guys know it's defective. You still use it. Yeah, I'm not super happy about it, but that is just the way being an adult is on unexpected expenses. Because of that unexpected event, I have decided to get a job at Amazon, being a warehouse associate. I've been there, I think it'll be a month this week. So I started on August the 24th. The enticing thing about it is they were offering a $3,000 sign-on bonus. I was originally going to use that money to put a big bore kit in this thing because, Grom needs to go faster. I miss having a faster bike. I don't miss having a bigger bike, I miss having a faster bike. I think a big bore kit would probably do this thing wonders. So yeah, that was essentially the entire reason I got a second job at Amazon. Turns out I actually kind of like working at Amazon. It's something different every single night. You know, there's a lot of like mundane, boring jobs there, but there's other stuff that's also kind of fun. So I take simple pleasures in life, like pressing buttons and sending packages down conveyor belts. Like, you can do a lot of it at Amazon. It's kind of fun. You gotta play with a scanning gun. It's been cool. Like, I've got to do a ton of different things, and so I've been really enjoying that. You know, they got things where you're taking packages off a truck and throwing them on a conveyor belt, what they call like a Gaylord dumper. Gaylords are these big cardboard bins that you just throw packages in, and even those on like a little dumper thing, like elevator, it'll dump them over and throw them on a conveyor belt. It's kind of fun watching packages go down the conveyor belt. So I've been doing that. I did a new job yesterday called where they fix like packaging issues. If it's like the scanners can't read the label, or you print out a new label, or it needs taped up, or sometimes you'll put it into a new box. So I did that last night for the first time. I really enjoyed that. I got to play with robots, like big Roombas, where the carts will sit in a robotics field and kind of wait for their next command, so you can be like Jesus. Command robots to do your infinite destruction. And essentially it's just watching them pick up carts and move them to where you need them to go, which is kind of a fun thing. So, but I have to wait the 6 months when I started to get my other remaining bonus. I'm supposed to get the first like $1,000 sometime this week, if not next week. I don't really know. But hey, $3,000 to work part-time. I mean, the benefit is they pay weekly, which is great. I've been really enjoying that. It's like just an extra like paycheck in between paychecks. When I get my regular paycheck, I'm like, oh, I I got paid quite a bit of money this week, but I'm also working, 65 hours. It's tiring. It's a lot of work. But it's, it's easy stuff, and it's, some of the people are nice, some of the people are idiots, but, that's just the workplace environment. I'm not going to get along with everybody. That's there to make